Yo, what's up guys? This is Mckoy here, the first one. Namiss ko to. Namiss ko magsalita ng ganun. This video is gonna be a tutorial video. We are going to tackle Chigga Booga tutorial. So I'm going to discuss to you guys or teach you the techniques that were executed there by Napom. So we have 3, I think. I already forgot the 2, but the first one I remembered is the Cough Snare. Cough Snare is very easy to execute. Well, sobrang dali lang naman talaga kasi noon, kasi isang mo lang tutunog na agad siya. Medyo tricky siya sa una kasi medyo titimbangin mo yung tunog na malalim pero at the same time yung medyo mahina na hindi siya magtutunog literal ubo. So medyo may control na mangyayari sa kalagitnaan ng inyong pag-execute ng Cough Snare. No worries guys, I'm going to teach you that one by one and we are going to divide that technique into 3 easy steps. Ito yung steps na sinunod ko nung pinag-aaralan ko yung Cough Snare. First step, you guys may want to hold your breath. Yung gagawin nyo is medyo palabas siya na pigil. Inhale, exhale, then cut. Pigil ng paghinga during the exhale part. Gets. Alright. Second step, alam niyo yung 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 pag nagki-clear kayo ng throat, na parang pag may plema dito, tapos gusto nyong matanggal. Yung ginagawa niyo yung kung mararamdaman niyo yung vibration niya andito, di ba? The next thing that he wanted to do is to combine the step 1 and step 2, di ba? Di ba, pinipigilan nyo na yung paghinga nyo during your exhale part. Di ba, inhale. What you want to do next is to execute the second step, clearing of throat. Focus the vibration here. So combine step 1 and step 2, it will sound like ramdaman nyo medyo makati dito, di ba? Ganyan siya. So, medyo nandun yung concept. Focus lang kayo doon. Sanayin nyo muna yung lalamunan nyo sa ganong klaseng practice. Gets? Alright. So, third step, ito na yung part na bibilugin nyo yung Cough Snare na yan. Kasi medyo loose siya pakinggan eh. Medyo hindi compact na katulad ng So, third step is you shape your mouth like the letter O shape. And then, do the first and second step. It will sound like gets. Sa una, medyo hindi pa siya malinis pakinggan. Pero yung ginawa ko kasi nun is sinanay ko lang talaga yung Cough Snare. As much as possible, replace all of your normal snare sa mga beat nyo ng Cough Snare. Kasi in that way, masasanay yung lalamunan nyo na i-recognize na, okay, so itong beatboxer na to magka-Cough Snare, so game. Alright? So practice beats na pwede nyong gamitin kapag pinag-aaralan nyo to is yung basic. Palitan nyo yung ng or pwede na kayong dumiretso sa Chigga Booga na yan. Gets? Alright, So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know na medyo natagalan ako bago mag-post. Aware din ako doon kasi tinitingnan ko yung stats ng YouTube ko. And masaya ako kasi kahit hindi ako nagpo-post, umakyat na sa total of 1,050,000 views ang YouTube channel ko. Dahil yon sa inyo, guys. So, maraming salamat. Yeah. Na-appreciate ko yun sobra. Alright, so I know that you wanted me to react to beatboxing videos. We are going to do that. We are back. This channel is alive again, yeah. Alright. Maraming salamat sa suporta. And yeah, I'm going to start off with Trongbaw. Because you guys requested that, and nakikita ko rin sa Facebook, sa newsfeed ko na sobrang trending si Trongbaw ngayon. Ang dami nagsishare ng videos niya, kaya medyo na-curious ako. Hindi ko muna pinanood yung video kasi I want to reserve my reaction for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna see you again on what's the day today? Tuesday. I'm going to see you again on Thursday. Ang ginagawa ko kasi ngayong linggo, medyo malupit yung schedule ko kasi alas 11 yung shift ng alas 11 ng umaga yung shift ko, tapos yung uwian ko alas 8. Kaya pag uwi ko dito, traffic pa alas 8. Kaya medyo ang nakakapagod yun. Kaya pinipilit kong gumawa ng video kasi ayoko kayong iwan, guys. Alright. I know you guys deserve an explanation why I haven't been posting videos for a very long time since August. Reason behind that is, well, I had these issues that I had to take. Well, it's really not an issue. It's more of a problem because it's not really an overnight kind of trial that God gives you. So, well, to cut it short, my wife got pregnant. Yes, it was supposed to be, we were going to be happy, but nope. Pregnancy, it's an ectopic pregnancy. So, the doctors did some operation. And yeah, she's finally recovering. Alright, so without further ado, if you find this tutorial very useful, you might want to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button for you guys to be updated with my uploads every day. Or twice, thrice a week. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you again. Peace, bro.